Hi, it's me, Laura. I am at my son and daughter's house, and I have to show you something I just fell in love with. Let me try to get you a little bit closer. Check this out. They got an ice machine. Oh my goodness, am I in love with it. Okay, I have a refrigerator that has ice in it, like an ice dispenser in it, but having one on the counter for extra ice, it's a game changer. Let me bring you a little bit with me and I'll show you exactly how it works. So it is a large capacity one. It makes small ice and big ice. Let me show you the size of the ice. They're bullet size. They have little holes. The children are addicted to it, so I'm not quite sure if that's good or bad. Let me not put that one back in there since I touched it with my hands. Technically, it comes with a little scooper. So little germy hands do not go in there because, you know, they don't have fingernails to grab them with. It has its own scooper. The water, you fill it up and it does it on its own. These little buttons here in the back tells you when it is already full of ice, so it won't be making any more. It tells you when to add water, so that is super convenient. You don't have to look and check all the time. You can choose your small or your big ice, and tells you, of course, when it's on. It is fairly quiet. This is a very echoey house in here, and I am so impressed with how quiet this is. Otherwise, it would be very loud. It pushes the ice forward. I'll see if I can get a video to show you, but as it pushes the ice forward, it drops it into the tray where the scooper lives. This is a game changer. No more buying bags of ice when you have company because there's just not enough in the freezer. No more, putting it in a small cooler. This is gonna take care of everything. I'm going home to buy one for our house.